Having the leadership team come together over the last 14 months has really created a different feeling within the business. We come up with the 6 core values because we thought it was important that we need to get that culture through the whole business and had to have everybody understand how important these values are, because if we don't believe in these values ourselves, then how are our customers ever going to believe in these values?
We're pretty excited about these 6 core values. They're very important to our team and they're what us as a leadership group came up with. So you first of all have trust, we have reputation, friendly staff, honesty and integrity, best customer service and responsiveness.
Yeah, so getting that trust, I suppose it's earned. It doesn't basically come straight away. Some sales guys out there really push for the sale. You don't sort of gain their customers' trust doing that. I suppose nurturing them and giving their best advice, you sort of gain that trust along the way.
From a customer's perspective, if a customer's calling us, they want to speak to someone that knows what they're talking about, and they want someone to be able to give them the right information as well.
It's gained the trust of, say, the Wyndham area, Point Cook and whatnot, in the last number of years. He's built that reputation through word of mouth, through other companies winning awards, so people could see we are one of the best companies at what we do. So that reputation goes hand in hand with what Kyle's created and what people see us as being.
Our reputation is very good out there. We're very high up in the heating and cooling industry as a whole. The reasoning for that is because simple, we have the best trades in the industry.
Friendly staff is, I say, the most important thing of any employee here at Plum, whether you are an apprentice or whether you're in admin or sales, having that friendliness to you, answering the phone within 3 rings, answer the phone with a smile, having that great tone of your voice, all those things make the customer feel that you want to talk to them. And that's what's important, making our customers feel valued and that we appreciate their business.
It's the little things. It's saying your hi and your byes, and in the morning say hi to everyone, bye. In the afternoon, asking people what they've done for the weekends and things like that. It brings everybody together and keeps all the spirits high. Although everyone's kind of drowning in their workload, it's these little things that kind of get everyone in a good mood and helps everybody get to know each other.
So we've got to make sure we are honest. If you're not honest, you get found out very quickly. All right, people know if you're trying to pull the wool over their eyes, whether it's a worker or whether it's management with workers, whether it's workers with customers. You've got to be honest. If you're not, it comes back to buy you, and there goes your reputation, your trust.
It's always good to be honest because you don't want to get caught out, like in case someone else goes out to a customer's place and then they've been given the complete wrong information, because that loses trust with the customer. So we've just got to make sure that what we're saying and what we're doing and the solutions that we give our customers is the right solution for their needs.
But what I see, they're responsive. Like, if there's a problem, they're onto it. It's not always just delegated, just give it to them, don't worry about it. It's dealt and it's dealt then and there, you know what I mean? There's no lag time. We're not reactive, we're proactive. So that's what amazing customer service that I can see that we have within the Plum culture.
When the customer calls our business, when they first answer the phone, they'll be greeted with a staff member that's friendly, happy, bubbly, there to help them out, to solve their problems or offer them a solution for what they're after. Our team supports our customers by giving them choices. We like to get an understanding of what they'd like in a system. The main thing is that we continue to guide all of our clients